And it's recording. Alright. So we don't like it when technology breaks. Pisses us off. Especially when it's our phones. So what I got here, this is the most glitchiest piece of crap ever. The Samsung Galaxy S. Yep. Now I happened to it, screen messed up, slowly going all black. I don't want to explain it. It just broke and it made me mad. Because for like a whole week I could not text people, and I'm 16, so that is like wrecks you. So what we're gonna do to show our appreciation for such fine ingenuity is I got this Thompson Cybergun right here. Cybergun Thompson airsoft, and we are gonna shoot the phone. Yep, pretty much. Now I know this thing's powerful because I made my little brother bleed with it, so I'm gonna sit that right there, right on that little step. There it is. Yep. Get about 10 yards away and start shooting the fucker. For your amusement. Fuck, this concrete is boiling. Grass, sweet grass. Okay. Yep. Semi-auto first. Hard to aim with this one. Alright. Now let's do a quick full auto thing. Then we'll check the damage. Yeah, motherfucker. Okie doke. Fuck, concrete is fuck. Oh, okie weather. Okay, let's see. Oh my, that thing is definitely not going to be working anytime soon. Yep. Take that, fucking Chinese. I wonder how to shoot the back. Let's take a look. This is probably going to come back up and hit me. Well, I'm just a dumbass for doing this. Oh. I'll turn this upside down. Alright. That's the rest of the ammo in that clip. Let's take a look what happened to the battery. Okay. Burning, burning, burning. Ow. Feet are on fire. Okay. Now, want to be careful with this. I think some babies might have got launched in there. But that battery is kaput. Yeah. Dented it in a little bit, you see. Not entirely, I don't know if I can get that on camera. Not entirely the most straightest thing ever. The screen is forsaken. I mean, there's like, trying to see all that. I don't know if you can see that. Some glass from the screen. It's down there too when I dropped it again. Well, time to dispose of this thing properly. Okay. Over the glass, into the grass. Lovely dumpster reciprocal. Even though I'm supposed to dispose of this thing in the proper container, then nah, who cares? It's not like anyone really uses those things. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed it.